Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I've got another new to me nail polish. It's a gel polish brand from the DIY Nail Art Store on Aliexpress. This one is Lovecarrie, Lovcarrie. And I've already done a couple manicures in this, and I've worn it for a few days to make sure that it's a good gel. And the first one is M01. It's this gorgeous green. Perfect for those of you going into the fall weather right now. I know the southern hemisphere, you're going into fall, while northern hemisphere is going into spring. Also great for a lot of nail arts. That is a lovely color. That's M01. I've also got M03. I love these colors I'm going to be wearing this fall. Gels, remember you need to stir them up. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. I may ombre them in on my thumb. And this one is what I'm going to put on today. It's M05. These ones don't have names. Look at that terracotta. Oh, it's gorgeous. So I'm going to put them on these four, and I'm going to try to ombre the colors and see how that goes. And someone asked me about how I put on the nail stickers, and I'll do that for you today as well, I think. I don't know, if I plan something out, it doesn't work. I'm going to give that a cure real quick, and then I'm going to try to ombre this at the very end of the video. Okay, coat one cured. For me, they're curing in 30 seconds in my lamp. Your lamp may vary, especially since now they're coming out with lower wattage lamps. So whatever you normally cure on, they're working. I have worn the other colors for a few days, and they worked out quite well. That's two coats, but I haven't top coated them yet. I don't have their top coat, by the way, so I'm using another brand and it works with it. Let me try to ombre this in. I have never ombreed with this brand before, so let's see. I was going to do two, but I'm thinking about doing three. My nails are pretty long. Got a little bit too much on. Hopefully I can get that fixed, or it will cure. We shall find out. The last ombre, I just put a little extra on, brushed them together, and it worked. So let's see. The first two would make great camouflage. Wow. My brush got a little wonky on me. I think I got a little bit of bubbles in there. Just gonna pop those bubbles. Okay, let me give this. I don't look too bad with one coat. Let's go in for a second coat just to look better in pictures. I'm gonna have to give this a cure. Okay, all cured up. My first ombre without any glitter involved. Not too bad. Someone wanted to know where my stickers came from. And these were either off Aliexpress or Wish or Born Pretty or Beauty Big Bang. I'm not certain. But I'll show you how I used them and we'll just see if I can get them flat again. I don't know if I can do it again. Sometimes stickers can be rough on you. I made a mistake of actually cutting them before. I hate accenting this nail because that nail is just, my whole finger is crooked. I hate that. It annoys me to death. I try not to touch the sticker because these are not water decals. They will come back up. Place it where you want it. I lost my tool. There it is, my Beauty Big Bang tool. Press it down. It's just a silicone tool. Use it to get all the air bubbles out. All of the air bubbles out. You can move them slightly, but not as much as a water decal. I mean, you can barely move them once they're on. I'm only touching the sticker, I'm not touching the gel as much as possible. I put one of those on this finger. And my suggestion, if your stickers are thick, would be to simply use that top coat to your advantage. Woo! So I like to place it. I'm not that great with stickers. Used to use them a lot, but I didn't take nail photos. Especially not with the high definition cameras that we have these days. They show every little mistake you make. Press it, press it, press it, else they will lift. If you have a bubble under there, you're best to pop it or just redo it. I'm going to do some more to these nails because these stickers are very pretty. And this is what I used in one of the manicures. And when I get to finishing this hand, I'll use what I used in the other manicure on that hand. This one's just calling my name. Nails of interest, use me. Nails of interest, use me. I'm going to do it the way I did it earlier. So I wore this for a couple days. It was pretty cool. You may have to use, if your nail's curved like mine is, you may have to use something a little bit tougher to really get that sticker down. Got it down there a little crooked. I love these. I'm going to add some bling on here too. I wish I had another one this size. I don't. I used it up already. That's pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, yes I do. Here it is. Oops. Definitely a sticker. Come on up. Come on up. Wow. Okay. Anybody knows what these teardrop looking shapes are? Let me know. I have no idea what they're called. Just try not to get the oils of your skin underneath the stickers, else you will ruin them. Anybody know how to get them back on if you ruin them? I would assume some glue. I don't know. Let's try just using my cuticle tool. A crooked sticker to go with a crooked nail. Well, it's my finger that's crooked, it's not the nail. Duck nail, I think. So moral of the story, don't press down until you're ready on a sticker. See if we can, I can't pry it back up. Nope, it's not gonna gel on my skin. Comes out quite nicely. Yay, yay, yay. I'm gonna do a couple more things here real quick. I'm gonna top coat it in twice. One time adding my bling to it. Twice is so that you can hide the stickers as efficiently as you can. One time I had to do 2 coats of top coat. But if you just make sure that all the edges of your sticker are covered, you may be able to get by with 1. Just you're like encapsulating it in your top coat. Wasn't prepared for that, so I gotta get out my bling real quick. Okay, I've got some large bling, some little bling. I don't usually use the large bling, but we'll try. These can be found everywhere. Wish, Amazon, Aliexpress. Even got the gems off of Aliexpress. Not sure which ones I want to use. Same with the triangles. I got 20 of these for $1. Let me use a big one. See, they're easy to put back in. I've got turned around the wrong way. Before you cure it, just make sure everything's in place where you want it, because once you cure it, it's there. And this one I'm kind of upset because the sticker's crooked. There's not much I can do about it now. Okay, give this a cure. I'm gonna put some finished looks of all 3 manicures at the end. Oops. That's using a bigger bling than I'm used to. I'll put pictures of all 3 manicures at the end of the video. 3, 4, I don't know how many I've got. I'll probably do a separate picture of this thumb. So you've got to wipe this off of your skin. I waited way too long. Usually only do 4 fingers. And if you have any problems with your gems curing, now let me cure these. If you ever have any trouble with your gems snagging on your hair or whatever, you can put a little bit of top coat around with a tiny brush like this. Just go right around them, and then it won't, I'm checking it out, see if it's gonna stick under my hair. But no, I just put a little brush under there. If it doesn't snag, likely it's not gonna snag on my hair. That's just a cute little manicure. And I like these trays because, well, make sure I've got the right one. Nope. You can just dump them right back in to the correct size. Slot. That's a cute manicure using just AliExpress items. Well, everyone, thank you for being here with me today. I hope everyone has a great day. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.